So this video is for Samsung, particularly A52. When you have the issue of basically when you have this issue, even when the phone comes in contact with water or moisture and refuses to charge, as you can see, it won't charge regardless of how many times you pull it out and plug it in. So there are different methods to fix this online. You might find a method in which you put your hand on the power button and then on the volume down button to try and restart the phone. So basically, when you try and restart the phone, um, for some Samsung users, it actually works. But in some cases, like in this case with the Samsung A52, after the phone restarts, it still doesn't work. You can't still charge your phone. As you can see, even after the phone has been restarted, notification still comes up on the restarted phone, and regardless of what you do, you can't fix it. Now the phone is at 4%, and it's just a matter of time before it goes off. You can see the notification that charging port has moisture. That's the reason it will not charge. As long as this stays the same, it won't charge. I tried different things: restarting the phone, wiping the partition cache, leaving the phone to dry inside rice, leaving it to dry under fan for like overnight, and still the notification hasn't gone, indicating that there's still moisture inside the phone, and so it won't charge. So the only fix I found for this, I'm gonna restart the phone now. The only fix I found is to turn the phone off and then reboot the phone in safe mode. That way it will ignore the warning and start charging. So to reboot the phone in safe mode, simply turn the phone on, and then once you see the power by Android symbol, power by Android, which is this, the camera is not clear. Once you see the power by Android symbol, you simply hold down the volume down button throughout the restart process. Just keep holding down the volume down button until the phone reboots. The phone is still booting up. Yes, and when the phone reboots, you can see by the side it's in safe mode now. And when it's in safe mode, and I plug in the charger like so, you can see it starts charging, although slowly. It starts charging, although slowly. It doesn't fast charge, but you can at least get it up to charge. And starting the phone in safe mode will actually cause some restrictions. In that you can't use certain apps. You can see some apps. I don't know if you can see here, but some apps are grayed out. Like a bunch of my apps are grayed out right now. Some of them have color, meaning that you can operate them, but the ones that are grayed out, you can't use it. Download the app disabled in safe mode. That's what that reads. You can't use it. So even though the phone charge, you can see now it has gone up to 4%. When it reboots in safe mode, it will be in airplane mode, but you can turn that off and use your phone normally while it charges. And then to turn the safe mode off, you just go to the notification panel, and then you can turn the safe mode off, and then the phone will reboot. only issue is when the phone reboots, you start having the problem of moisture detected again, so it won't still charge. So you have to continue charging it maybe till a sufficient percentage in safe mode before you can use it normally. And if you want the permanent fix, you're going to have to meet a technician or maybe any person that can fix a phone for them to clean the charging port with some a substance or whatever they use so that it will be clean and dry. Don't attempt to do that by yourself because that might just damage the phone further. And if I when I try and take the phone to be permanently fixed, to be cleaned, so that the charging port can be cleaned, I'll post a comment to support that worked.